today?
I'm doing very well. We're on another trip, and I'm traveling with all the girls, all 111 of us. We have all the suitcases, we got checked in, now we're just waiting for the flight. So thank you so much to the reservation and to everyone who's helping us be safe on this trip. We appreciate you guys so much. Come with.
Ako'y nag-iisa sa laban na ito, ngunit hindi ako susuko. Sa gitna ng unos ng buhay, ako'y patuloy na lumalaban. Kahit walang kasamang tumulong, ako'y tatayo pa rin. Ang mundo ay puno ng sakit, ngunit hindi